Everyone, a really quick show. I'll show you a couple things you might struggle with and will easy. So this is for Whirlpool GHW9150PW0. So the bearing on this thing is bad, so we got two options: repair the bearing. Your drummers look like scaffold says so. Bearings, it's probably two bearings and too much hassle. Now this is good. This is good on this side. This bearing is good. On the inside, the big bearing is gone. So I don't know. Well, I guess I have to toss it. This whole thing taken apart. Anyway, before I do this, I'll show you the wiring. You might want to use it for your spares. So this is a rear control board, and that's how everything's connected to it. Okay. This is I think it's a pressure sensor, checking the water pressuring to activate, alternate. So this is two. So machine is very good, but for some reason the washer is getting bad. So those two good inside. Okay, this is another side. And we'll disconnect this one from here. This pipe over here. So water flow sensor, or whatever is the sensor for, soap, and I'm going to get deeper to show you the rest of the wiring. Okay, let's see. Another thing, before you take the bottom off, you do is lift these things up and take this piece off. I hold them at the bottom over here. Two screws. Didn't get two screws at the bottom here, and this will come off in case if you want to repair a bearing. And the whole separation starts from the back. There's two screws over here in the back. Holes. You lift the top off, then you lose this side, this, and so on. You gotta be careful. I got the nice rig over here. I don't want to touch it, so I'm not sure if you need that back side. We'll put on pause and remove rest of the parts and show you in a minute. There's a small trick, guys. The front rubber piece. Use the flat screwdriver to start it. Be careful. Do not punch through the rubber right here. Okay, just catch it and slow goes, and then just pull out. This ring was holding. I think you should remove this ring before. So I don't see this ring over here, so you can probably remove this ring. It has a suspension spring on it as well. Well, now we get to this desired space, and that's how everything's connected here. There's some wires going down. I'll show you what's there. And there you go. Here's I will show you the rest of these wires go over here. There's more on the back. This computer over here. This wires go to computer. And I guess I have to get inside the computer to show you what they look like inside. And there you go, we get to the last part where the computer is. That's the computer, and that's where what is wire. There's the blue wires. Okay, go all the way around. well, that's basically what it is, and we won't be replacing anything. I wish to give this someone so people can use it, but I'm going to toss this all. It's nice usable parts, but I don't know what to do with it. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Hope this will be help to someone. Oh, I forgot another thing. Almost forgot. This is wiring for the board. It's upside down, sort of. And a bit like at the front, and a wire harness just like that. And it is connecting to the computer over here to the side. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope that will help.